Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show the very pretty, affordable price point, luxurious material, just rupees 999 free shipping all over India, soft semi tussar material, and we have more than 4,500 plus designs. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can explore wide range of this variety, affordable price point and luxurious material. Our application also available, so must be download our application in Android and iOS device, and our customer care executive number is 8154000063. If you need in a wholesale purchase, so must be contacting our customer care executive number Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. Let's start the video. In first product you receive the chiku color combination with a very pretty light brown color combination with a yellow color combination, the ikat patterns in a printed format with a very pretty the kalamkari block print in entire the body parts with just rupees 999 free shipping all over India. Let me show you the pallu part. In pallu parts you receive the very pretty the golden yellow color combination with a zigzag ikat prints in entire the printed pallu parts. Here you can see the Adbhuta Maina, the very pretty, the official wear, the very premium quality, luxurious material in affordable price point, just rupees 999 free shipping all over India. In body parts you receive the flower print in entire body part. Let me show you the softness of this saree part. Here you can see the fill foil of this saree with a light weighted and very pretty elegant softness of this saree part. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you receive the same dark brown color combination, the plain with a khicha effect in entirety blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, and must be following our Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different items in affordable price point. Let me show you this product with very pretty the dark navy blue color combination with ajrak print in entire the body part as well as in pallu part. Here you can see the very pretty the ajrak prints in entire the pallu parts with a very pretty elegant the striped fusions in entire the body part. Here you can see the very pretty the ajrak patterns in entirety pallu part. This saree also you received at just rupees 999 free shipping all over India. If I talk about this color, then you receive a dark navy blue color combination with a light sky blue color fusions in entirety body part. This totally digitally format saree with affordable price point, soft semi tussar material. Let me show you the blouse piece. Here you can see the very pretty the chinna red color combination meenakari blouse piece in entirety blouse piece. If you need to buy via our video call facility, then video call facility also available. So must be booked one day before in our customer care executive number 8154000063. See you in the next.